Life is what happens to us while we are making other plans. Alan Saunders. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift of God, which is why we call it the present. Bill Keane. I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Thomas A. Edison. It is not a lack of love, but a lack of friendship that makes unhappy marriages. Friedrich Nietzsche. The opposite of love is not hate, it's indifference. The opposite of art is not ugliness, it's indifference. The opposite of faith is not heresy, it's indifference. And the opposite of life is not death, it's indifference. Elie Wiesel. The man who does not read has no advantage over the man who cannot read. Mark Twain. A woman is like a tea bag. You never know how strong it is until it's in hot water. Eleanor Roosevelt. I love you without knowing how or when or from where. I love you simply, without problems or pride. I love you in this way because I do not know any other way of loving but this, in which there is no I or you, so intimate that your hand upon my chest is my hand, so intimate that when I fall asleep your eyes close. Pablo Neruda, 100 Love Sonnets. I may not have gone where I intended to go, but I think I have ended up where I needed to be. Douglas Adams, The Long Dark Tea Time of the Soul. If you don't stand for something, you will fall for anything. Gordon A. Eady. Outside of a dog, a book is man's best friend. Inside of a dog, it's too dark to read. Groucho Marx, The Essential Groucho, Writings for by and about Groucho Marx. I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. J.K. Rowling, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. I am enough of an artist to draw freely upon my imagination. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. Albert Einstein. Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none. Be able for thine enemy, rather in power than use, and keep thy friend under thy own life's key. Be checked for silence, but never taxed for speech. William Shakespeare, All's Well That Ends Well. Have you ever been in love? Horrible, isn't it? It makes you so vulnerable. It opens your chest, and it opens up your heart, and it means that someone can get inside you and mess you up. Neil Gaiman, The Sandman, Volume 9, The Kindly Ones. I like nonsense. It wakes up the brain cells. Fantasy is a necessary ingredient in living. Dr. Seuss.